Hello there, beautiful people. How are you guys doing? It's been a while, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. We're going to be making the best pepper sauce ever in the whole wide world. So stay tuned as we proceed. And please always remember that everybody is fighting a battle, and our hope and trust is in the name of the Lord Jesus. So I'm going to gradually introduce the ingredients to you. So we have 2 tomatoes, 1 bulb of red onions, approximately 7 huge red habanero peppers, 1 red bell pepper, very huge, 2 stalks of spring onions, and 1 medium-sized carrot. Guys, you will want a carrot in your pepper sauce. It takes it to another level. So we're going to wash everything down and exclude the parts that are not necessary, like this, and then blend. See you later. So guys, we're done with the blending, and we're going to go ahead and pour our mixture in a pan like this. So we're going to go ahead and place a lid on the pan. Take this and put on the stove and boil till the water gets dry. Monitor, please, monitor. And when blending, make sure not to use a lot of water during the blending process. Our pepper sauce is dry. So we're going to go ahead and add some vegetable oil, salt, and Maggi. Added our salt, now our vegetable oil, and our Maggi. I'm using German Maggi. So mix everything up. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and place this on the stove and cook again for 2 minutes, and my pepper sauce will be ready. See you later. So guys, this is our pepper sauce after 2 minutes. So I'm just going to take this off from the stove and allow it to cool on the side. You may not be able to appreciate the actual color of it because I'm using indoor lights. The weather is so poor, guys. I wish it was direct sunlight or natural light. So I'm just going to let this cool down, and then I'll put in bottles and store. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.